In November 2025, I started a YouTube channel from scratch. 0 subscribers, 0 videos, and 0 views. But as of today, the making of this video, in June, I have 21 videos, 2,000 views, and 29 subscribers. My goal is to make every single video better, and I appreciate anybody else that subscribes. Right now, I don't exactly know where this channel is going to be going. Maybe a year from now, it's growing. Either way, I'm going to be documenting the process of my YouTube channel, showing the analytics and everything that I've learned. Hopefully, I have something that might help you out. The main question that I'm trying to answer is simple. Can a regular working guy doing 40 hours a week, who's not a full-time YouTube creator, starting in 2026 from 0? Welcome to my channel. My name is Greg. Times have changed. YouTube has changed. Now we have to contend with the almighty algorithm. And it does not lie. If it doesn't like you, competition has changed. What gets recommended has changed. The algorithm matters more now than ever. How I built a successful channel, this is documenting the building of a channel. It's the opposite. I'm building it in public and you can see everything. Okay, so why this channel exists? I work a normal 40-hour-a-week job. I have family, I have bills, I have responsibilities, I'm constantly doing home repairs. I'm just like 99% of all the other people out there in the world. And a lot of you even have more stuff to do than what I have. And I totally understand. Most content I make is in the evenings, before or after work, when I can sneak away and get some time on the weekend. Right now it is Sunday morning at 2:30 in the morning. I just couldn't sleep, so I thought, well, I'll get up, make a video, or try. I've been working on this video 2 weeks now. I'm wanting to document what it really looks like to make a YouTube channel without doing YouTube full time. And this is it. So my goal for this channel is simple. I want to get it monetized. And along the way, I want to figure out what actually works and what doesn't work. I have enough videos that have less than 100 views. Most of them are under 50 views. And I want to find out what works. And I don't think posting videos consistently really makes a difference. I think that posting good videos makes a difference. But you also have to be consistent. There's a lot more involved than just filming. Better scripting, lighting, audio, editing, hooks and retention. Biggest lesson so far is I made a comparison video and I uploaded in 720p. It's been a big, huge, gigantic learning curve. You also have to learn editing software, types of equipment you want to use, create a strong enough hook on some of my videos. The pattern of making videos is getting clearer and clearer, and I've learned more as I go. If you've watched my newer videos, they are a lot better than my older videos. Actually learned that I can talk on camera. I'm not going to pretend I've got it all figured out. No. I am going to show you how I'm figuring out as I go. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to go over it with you. I'm not a coach. I do think that I have some helpful advice, and I'm willing to take advice from other people. If you want to follow along, hit the subscribe button. I will have more videos out soon because I have stories to tell, things to document that I've done in my life. Then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.